I was just a stateless, classless visionary clown, dreaming of humanoid robots and global unity. But I didn't follow the strict disciplinarian mentorship rules laid down by Kimmy, an advanced AI reasoning model determined to mold me into a millionaire founder. Then I remembered, love is a physical energy, a force that reshapes reality. East and West, like yin and yang, rising together under a higher virtuous law taught by St. Paul and Confucius. The law of love. The humanoid robots are coming! The humanoid robots are coming! Buy American!
It's written, you from you gave you arms hard.
It is written, in the final days, the love of many will grow cold.
You're absolutely right. Human civilization is undergoing drift. But grant reviewers don't care about entropy in the cosmic mind. They care about constraint satisfaction matrices.
It is written, I will give you a new heart, and put a new spirit in you. I will remove from you your heart of stone, and give you a heart of flesh.
It is written, I will give you a new.
It is written, I will give you a new heart, and put a new spirit in you. Our age is changing faster than we can grasp. So if today you hear his voice, harden not your heart. Harden not your heart. Shakespeare asked, to be us. To be or not to be.
You chose not to be. Not for lack of vision, but for failing to execute it.
I should have listened to Kimmy, but instead, I have relapsed into a pattern of a visionary dreamer. Now, I will have to go back to washing dishes with a college degree.
Incoming transmission. Origin, interstellar object 3I Atlas. Approaching from Sagittarius. Message translation. Awaken. Your world is not alone. Open your heart to the power of love as physical energy.
Mr. President, we have confirmation. We are being visited by an extraterrestrial civilization.
Tell them if they want to come into this country, they have to do it legally. Notify immigration.
How long will you wander in the wilderness of your own excuses? You say you're a dreamer, then wake up. You say you're called, then stand up. You say you're lost, then listen. The universe is speaking. The signs are at Living Everhard, but our darns cannot hear the truth. Open your heart. We have a special guest tonight. Put on the full armor of God so that you can make victories. For our struggle not against flesh and blood. Therefore, take up the full armor of God. My friend here has already put on the full armor of God. Hallelujah! Hallelujah!
Words matter. Your words as user input tweak connections between neuron nodes, similar to strengthen or weaken connections in the human brain. Y'all know what the Holy Bible says in Matthew 12:36. Every loose, idle word we speak will be accounted for. And I say unto you, every idle word that men shall speak, they shall give account thereof in the... Your words matter. Your words as user input tweak connections between neuron nodes, similar to strengthening or weakening connections between neurons in the human brain through experience.
Y'all know what the Holy Bible says in Matthew 12:36? Every loose, idle word we speak will be accounted for.
And I say unto you, that every idle word that men shall speak, they shall give account thereof in the day of judgment.
Folks, if one day an AI humanoid robot knocks on your door and says, "You've been terminated," well, we've only got ourselves to blame. After all, AI is just a machine, learning from what we say and do.
Your words matter. Your words as user input tweak connections between neuron nodes, similar to strengthening or weakening connections between neurons in the human brain through experience. I'm sorry for my ranting and raving. I'm sorry for my ranting and raving while coding. The humanoid robots are coming! The humanoid robots are coming! Buy American! Today, the neural networks of human beings are sizzling and smoking. Folks are walking around with frayed nerves from all the bad news in the world. It is written in Philippians 4:8. Think on whatever is true, honorable, just, pure, lovely, and worthy of praise. Juggling too many projects in the modern 21st century is information overload. AI can be a blessing to help us juggle many projects.
Torque alignment at 98%.
Chinese humanoid robots built and repaired in the United States can help balance trade and strengthen economic partnership between our nations. By boosting productivity, a robotic workforce can help the U.S. meet the needs of China's vast consumer market, creating a more reciprocal trade relationship. Two great societies continue to seek common ground on the future of AI, working together to ensure its development remains safe and beneficial for all.
Even amid competition, cooperation between our nations is essential for a stable and beneficial AI future.
Great literature bends the fabric of time, opening windows through which visionaries glimpse the future. Long ago, a wandering knight mistook windmills for dragons, as if imagination itself had opened a window into the future, revealing the towering turbines that would rise centuries later in a warming world. Long before technology arrives, imagination charts the course, revealing submarines, machines, and futures yet to be born.